Justice Karju, you heard all the politicians squabbling. This despite the fact that the son is saying, don't play politics on the grave of my father. Where are we headed? Is this Bihar UP elections? Is this a pattern that is suiting? Is it a convenient secret pact between all political parties? It almost seems like that.
Barkha, this country is heading for very bad times. Our politicians of all parties are mostly a set of rogues and rascals who should have been hanged a long time back.
No, come on. Now, this is overstating.
No, it's not.
You can't say hang people. You be a Supreme Court judge.
Yes.
We have rarest of rare for death penalty.
People,
this is loose talk, Justice Karju.
It's not loose talk. People who whip up.
लोगों को आपने बैठा रखा है. ये 90% जनता को ये इडियट बनाता है. खुद इडियट हैं काटजू जी. ऐसे लोगों को बैठाया जाता है काटजू जी. ये हर बात ऐसी कहते हैं काटजू जी.
जब आप बोल रहे थे मैंने आपको इंटरप्ट किया नहीं. जब आप बोल रहे थे मैंने आपको इंटरप्ट किया.
ऐसी बातें बोलते क्यों हैं?
बलियान जी, आप क्या कहते हैं? ये नेम कॉलिंग क्यों हो रहा है?
I never interrupted anybody.
एक मिनट, बलियान जी आप कह रहे हैं, you are calling Justice Karju and आप Justice Karju को
हैंग किए दे रहे हैं. काटजू साहब बिना किसी सबूत के, बिना किसी प्रूफ के आप किसी को हैंग किए दे रहे हैं. इंटरनेशनल चैनल पे बैठे हुए हैं. आपको इतना सोचना चाहिए. आप ये कैसे बयान दे सकते हैं? कैसी बात कर सकते हैं काटजू साहब?
क्योंकि आप लोग पॉलिटिशियन जनता को पोलराइज कर रहे हैं, आपस में कास्ट और रिलीजन के बेसिस पे लड़वा रहे हैं. आपका वोट बैंक पॉलिटिक्स है. आपको कोई देश से प्रेम नहीं है. कोई देश से प्रेम नहीं है. अपना वोट बैंक चाहिए, चाहे देश जहन्नुम में जाए.
आप देश जहन्नुम में जाए. जस्टिस Karju, अच्छा एक मिनट. Justice Karju, aren't you guilty? Let me ask the question.
जस्टिस काटजू के तालिबानी हक आप दे दें.
सिद्दीकी साहब मेरे को पूछने दीजिए सवाल.
Justice Karju
Well, Justice Karju, you have united all the politicians. You have united all the politicians, but they have a point. 1 minute. Time out. I'm asking the same question. Please let me ask it. Are you not trivializing the issue when you say all these politicians are idiots? They should all be hanged. This is loose talk.
No, it is not. They are polarizing society for vote bank politics. They have no genuine love for the country. These politicians are mostly rogues and rascals. They are mostly rogues. They just want their vote bank to help with the country, divide the people to get your vote bank. Don't these people deserve to be hanged?
Santosh, I think what really upsets me.
Mr. Karju, you have violated the law of the land. When you say you eat beef, in UP you will be sent for 7 years in jail.
Okay.
And in Delhi you will be imprisoned for 6 months.
1 minute, guys. Please, let's come back to the issue. Okay, let's come back to the issue. You know, Justice Karju is not the issue. The issue is Mohammad Akhlaq.
Are you talking
एक मिनट, बलियान जी.
Why get such people who are criminals? He has violated the law of UP where he should be in prison for 7 years. That's what the law is. And if he says he ate beef in Delhi, he will be in jail for 6 months. So Justice Karju, upholder of justice, is himself a violator of justice.
I don't think anybody should go to jail for eating anything. 1 minute, that's the whole point.
That's the whole point.
Please,
Miss, that's the law of the land.
Sudhanshu Mittal.
That is the law of the land. It's human order.
Okay, I'm going to put everybody's mics down because I can't get to speak otherwise. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Balyan Saab, leave Justice Karju.
1 minute.
Violate the law of land.
Can we just
let this not be a part of the statute?
1 minute. It's impossible.
Recognize against the law of land.
Can we bring the mics down? Can we bring the mics down? Can we bring the mics down? Santosh. It is impossible to have a sane conversation. I actually don't agree with this kind of hang the politicians talk with due respect to Justice Karju, but he likes provoking. The politicians have got provoked. He's saying they're all idiots, they're saying he's an idiot. This has become a conversation about a dead man. Where is the sanity of our discourse?
But that's the point. The point is that, if you look at the way, everyone jumped on this statement and the fact that this is the easiest thing to do.
Yeah.
See, this comes so naturally, which is a polarized, intense, aggravated debate where in a sense the reality of the issue is never looked at simply because it's so easy to take positions.
But you heard all the politicians. What did you make of what you've heard so far? Quite apart from their spat with Justice Karju, because that's not the central issue.
What is this man saying? What is this Justice Karju saying?
1 minute, Siddiqui Saab, I've moved on from Justice Karju.
No, this is very bad. No. Sudhanshu Mittal Saab is there. Politicians, I'm talking about Sudhanshu Mittal is there. Naved Siddiqui is there. Sanjeev Balyan is there. He's saying we are 3 idiots.
No, you are very cunning people. You are not idiots. Very cunning. Reverse of idiot. You are very cunning for your vote bank. You can take the country to hell for vote banks.
Okay.
You're not idiots.
Justice Karju, you look at the law and then talk. A upholder of justice, if that is the level at which you can stoop, sorry, what will happen to justice in this country? 7 years is the imprisonment for somebody according to this law.
Sudhanshu
For
ji, my
eating beef
request
in
is
UP.
leave Justice
And 6 months
Karju.
it is for
Okay.
doing
Focus
that in
on the
Delhi.
issues.
Okay,
Now
can we
chase
come
away.
back?
I have no
There's
issue.
a man called Mohammed
Sudhanshu
Abdullah,
ji,
he's dead.
काटजू साहब को भी हमें लगता है अब उम्र का तकाजा है, उम्र का तकाजा है, काटजू साहब को भी अब थोड़ा सा अपने इलाज में ध्यान
चले
देना
now
चाहिए।